What's up, guys? Excuse the quality of the video. This is my hibiscus car seat cover design. Gonna flip it over. This is the back. These are the metal loops and hooks that connect it to the seat. Pretty straightforward. This is my car seat. And we're going to start by trying to record and slip the cover over the car seat at the same time, which is very difficult to do. Well, I'm going to try my best to make it as quick as possible for you and make a clear enough video for you to see at the same time. Much easier to do if you got both hands free and you're not trying to record, and maybe you got a helping hand from someone else. Now, the mistake I made is you want to put the seat cover over the back and leave the bottom of the seat uncovered. It's much easier because it becomes tighter once you put the bottom of the seat on. So you want to leave that off during the when you're trying to hook it. Now you just pull the metal loop part through the cushions between the top and the bottom of your seat. Just use your hand, fish it through. It's not that hard, on my seat at least. Then you take the hook, wrap it around the side of the seat. At least that's the way I figured out how to do it. And you just snap it onto the loop. Then you can take your time and repeat it on the other side and try to smooth out your seat as much as possible. I'm going to pause the video for a little bit and try to smooth it out a little more. Very hard to record and do that at the same time. So, here's the final product. I smoothed everything out and stretched out the seat cover over the seat. Got rid of the wrinkles and the folding, and there you have it.